वेलकम टू माय चैनल zyni स्टडी इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स। गाइस, आज का हमारा टॉपिक होगा व्हाट इज़ एलेजी। व्हाट इज़ एलेजी इन इंग्लिश लिटरेचर? An elegy is an expression of grief. It was originally form of poetry on the subject of sadness. Word elegy originated from Greek word elegia. In three states: grief, price of death, consolation. Types of elegy. There are two types of elegy: pastoral elegy, impersonal elegy. Characteristics of elegy. Types है lyrics and focus on expressing emotions. Formal language, passing life of beauty and someone dear to speakers and express speakers' anger. Famous elegy poets. Some of the famous poets who have written elegies are as follows: Thomas Gray, Rainer Maria, John Donne, Anne Akhmatova, Johannes Kanders, Joachim de Valette.